I'm back with another quick injera recipe. This time we're trying rice and Costco pancake mix. I have 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of Costco pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, optional but highly recommended, 1.5 cups of starter, and we're going to use blender today. You can do this by hand by all means. I'm just going to add everything to the blender and blend it for 2 minutes. And now we're going to transfer it to airtight container. Adding a bit more water. As always, I'll leave the measurements in the description below. The next morning, this is what it looks like. You may not see it because it's all white, but there was separation of liquid on top. I drained off about 600 mils. I'm going to leave that liquid aside. I'm not going to throw it away yet, in case I need to adjust the consistency, but this looks good. And as you can see, it's looking very good. This injera turned out perfect. Overall, I made 3 large injeras and I saved 1.5 cup of starter. As you can see, it just turned out really good and it was very delicious too. That's all there is to this video. It was very quick. This is obviously for people who don't have access to TAFE and want to try making injera. I hope you give it a try and let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.